Hi, good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra. And welcome. How are we all doing? Are we all doing all right? Yeah? Good, that's what I like to hear. Right, well, this evening I'm doing something slightly different. I've just filmed my GLOSSYBOX unboxing, which was a little bit on the disappointing side, I must admit. And then the other parcel I received today was from ASOS. And you know what? I literally can't remember what I ordered. I don't know why that is. I think I must have done one of those midnight shopping orders when I'm half asleep, half awake. I'm just going through my phone and it's like, oh, I'll order that. Oh, I'll order that. So I literally cannot remember what I ordered. So I'm just going to open up the box and see what I got. So here we go. Let's open this up and see what I got. Because I haven't ordered... Okay, I've just seen one thing. Yeah, I haven't ordered from ASOS for quite a while actually. I used to regularly get their little beauty box that they did every month, but I found that, I say beginning of last year, I saw a box that I was interested in. It sold out. It just sold out so quickly, and I just sort of stopped paying attention. But I know I got last month's little box, the box they sell for £12. I did get that box because it has hair products in there, which my daughter would enjoy. So I did get that box, and it looks like I got this month's box and some other things. So what did I get? So I've got the box for this month. So this box, now that I'm thinking about it, I don't think it cost £12. I think this box cost £15 this month. So there was obviously an item in here which was a little bit more expensive than sort of the other items, because usually the little £12 box will have a retail value for, say, I don't know, £30 to £50 sort of thing. So if I remember correctly, there was something inside that box that was a little bit more expensive. Then what do we have here? Oh, I bought some shower gels. I've run out of shower gels. Literally, there was just no shower gels, and my daughter has now reached for my favourite shower gel, which is my Beauty Papier one. You know, that superfood one, which I really like. Yeah, she started going for that. It's like, no, get your hands off my shower gel. So I just bought some cheap ones that were on clearance in ASOS. So I bought this one. I think this cost about £4. So I bought that. I bought this one, again, sort of £4. I have no idea what these are like, I just purchased them. So I bought 4 here, it looks like. There's another one here, Sunday Rain Refreshing Body Wash, so I bought that one. And there's another one here, Miami Muse Body Wash. So all of these were for £5 sort of prices, so I wasn't going to spend a lot on shower gels. I just needed shower gels because, if you watch my channel regularly, especially my MTs, you know that my daughter goes through shower gels like they are just made, they're free. That's how she goes through them. Honestly. Right, so yeah, let's do the little beauty box. So this beauty box, they do come out with these every month. They normally cost about £12, but if there is something in there that's a little bit on the high end or a little bit more pricey, the price will be £15. They only do that a few times a year. Most of the time the box is £12, and it'll have a range of different products in there. Now, if I remember correctly, the product that was expensive was a body shimmer oil. So let's open it up and see what we got. But it's a nice box. Looks good, doesn't it? Yeah, looks good. Let's have a look. Let's see what we got. So we've got the little card. God, I haven't done one of these boxes in so long. So you've got a little card here, and it says the Jet Set box. So this face and body box is for the globetrotters that want to get their skin ready for plenty of sun, sea and late summer evenings. But before you start daydreaming about your holidays, let's talk about how to boost your glow with these getaway pics. So we've got, so let's have a look and see what we got. Right, here we go. Yep. This is it. This is the product. This was the product and if I remember correctly, this is full size. It's from Sunday Riley, which is a pretty expensive brand anyway. And I think this by itself is £42, because I know I've seen this on Cult Beauty, because Cult Beauty does sell Sunday Riley products. Yeah, this is £42. So, and I think why I was interested in getting it and trying it, because I wanted to compare, because I've got various body shimmer oils I've been given over the months and the years from BeautyBox subscriptions, and most of them I don't like because they're either too greasy or they're too glittery, so it's not realistic for me to wear. And one I received recently, I received this one from, was it last month, was it the Look Fantastic box for May? We got this one from Rituals, and I did say that it had a nice feel, it had a nice scent, but it wasn't much of a shimmer, which I was a little bit disappointed on. But at the same time, it gave a little sort of va-va-voom, but not much. So I wanted to compare this one, I think, to this one, just to see how they are, because honestly, not all of these body shimmer oils are equal. So I'm going to put some of this Rituals one on first, yeah? I'm going to put it on this arm. I should have shaved my arms. Do any of you shave your arms? Or is it just me? I should have shaved my arms before doing this. So that's how my arm looks at the moment. I'll put it on that side, and then so you can see what it looks like. Yeah, it's very nice. It's a very light fragrance. It's very nice. So that's what it looks like with it. So you can see with the oil on, you know, it just gives a little bit of a glow, and then without the oil. Yeah, so this one's without the oil, that one's with. Yeah. And that's the Rituals one. Let's try the Sunday Riley one, all £42 worth of it. So it's a great big bottle. I like that it's got a pump. I'm going to give it a shake first, and let's see. Okay, so it's very like that. Okay. Okay, this one's definitely more gold. I can see a more gold effect in this one. The fragrance it's kind of almost warm, caramelly kind of smell. It's not a floral scent like the Rituals one. This one's definitely more oily. This feels more oil. It's not sinking into the skin so easily, but it's definitely giving more of a shimmer. Can you see the difference? So this one arm here is the Sunday Riley. Let me bring you in so you can see more closely. So this one is the Sunday Riley. It's got a little bit more of a goldy shimmer to it, and this one is the Rituals. See the difference? So this one has a more goldy kind of shimmer to it. But I like the feel of the Rituals one better because it absorbs in. It's nice, it's light. This one just feels more oily, but maybe it's because I've just put more on. Okay. Yeah, definitely more. This one's definitely more for going out in the evenings if you want to give a little bit of a va-va-voom. So that's what it looks like on a dark skin tone, so you can see for yourself how it looks. But yeah, there you go. So that was the product I was really interested in, and it's 42 quid. So there you go. But I'll show you the other products whilst I've had it since I'm here. So the other one here, I've got this already and I haven't tried it. I've got a sample of this. This is the new Urban Decay mascara, which I have not tried as yet. I've got one of these upstairs waiting to be tried. So I'm going to put this one in my giveaway box as I've got one already. I say that maybe I should open it and try it and see if it's something I really like. If I really like it, I'm going to want to keep it. So I think I'll try one first, and if it's just like any other mascara, then I'll put this one in the giveaway box. So that's the other product. Then we've got these radiance pads. I do like these radiance pads. My daughter loves them even more. And they're just sort of face cleansing pads, but they sort of really deeply cleanse your skin, and they give it like a bright sort of glow to your skin. My daughter really likes these. When I can, if I get them in beauty boxes, usually the American ones, they'll give the whole tub, which has got 60 pads in there. So I do look out for them when I see them in the American beauty boxes. But this one I think it's probably got about 5 or 10 in there. How many has it got in here? It has got, oh, it's got 30. It's got 30 packs in here, so it's got quite a few. So I'll definitely be giving that to my daughter. This next product goes straight into giveaway box because can you guess what products do I automatically put inside my giveaway boxes? Can you guess? Yeah, I usually put in my giveaway boxes are the bronzers that we tend to receive inside the UK boxes, and tanning products and coffee scrubs. Those are the 3 products I automatically do not pass go, do not collect your 200 quid. I normally put straight into the giveaway boxes. So this one, it's a big old size as well. This is a coffee scrub, but it's a coconut coffee scrub from Frank & Body. So it's a big old size one there. So I am going to put that in my giveaway box. So that goes over there. When you see me put something over there, that means it's going into giveaway. And the final product, what's this then? This is Day Glow. This is a Hyaluronic Radiant Self-Tan Serum. Okay, I won't be keeping this one either. So this goes inside the giveaway box as well. I mean, you've got fair enough here. The brand is Tanologist. Self-tan product. Yeah, I don't need that. So that also goes inside the giveaway box. So that's alright. I mean, for me, I've got what I wanted out of it. I wanted to see what this is all about. So, and this is worth £42. So for me, that was the main thing. The Radiance Pad and the mascaras are 2 bonuses. And these 2 products are going into the giveaway. So there you go. There you go. Alright guys, so that's my little shopping haul, miniature shopping haul from ASOS today. Alright, take care. I will see you soon. Okay, don't forget, if you haven't done so already, press that subscribe button. And by the way, I've been hearing that people are sort of unsubscribing from channels and they're not even realising they're unsubscribing. And it seems like YouTube and their algorithms are doing this strange thing again. They do this all the time. Do check to see if you are subscribed to my channel. Press the button, and then if you press twice, you will also press the all, which is like the little notification bell, and if you press all, that will make sure you are notified of any of my upcoming videos. If you just press once, you'll get a notification, but there's a risk that YouTube may unsubscribe you. And you know what? Just to add to it, you might as well make sure that you're a public subscriber as well, because if you do want to enter any of my giveaways that I do every month, and you want to enter, all you got to do is leave a comment in any of the month's videos. So all the videos I do in the month of June, in this case, I pick out my favourite ones and randomly pick out a name from a bag, and if that person is subscribed, public subscribed, they get my box of giveaway products. So there you go guys, there you go. And the box tends to be, my giveaway box does tend to be quite good, because I'll be getting my American Beauty boxes hopefully at the end of this week, and who knows what products I'll be getting. Usually products that are not available in the UK as yet, so it's always worthwhile. Just saying, just saying. So yeah, press that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and guess what? I'll see you soon. Take care.